Hey everyone, and welcome back. It's Josh here again. So if you've been watching my other videos, my other how-tos that I was posting there, I was having some trouble with my AC compressor in this thing, so I bypassed the belt. So when I was bypassing the belt, I noticed that my belt tensioner or my belt was running off center on the tensioner. So I pulled apart the tensioner. I thought maybe the bearings were gone in it or something. I looked at it, that was all fine. And I've been trying to rule everything out. So this is a quick and easy way. I just want to show you guys how to check for a misalignment and what to look for. So getting under here, you can see, if I come back here and zoom in, you see how my belt on that tensioner there is running off to the side. Pretty sure you can see that there. It's only running about a quarter. See how there's about a 1/4 inch to the side there? It's running off the front there. Anyways, to narrow this down, I thought it was running off because my bearings were gone in my compressor, but now that I've bypassed my compressor, that ruled that out. Anyways, with the belt off, I checked my alternator. Your mounts are fine, nothing's broke, everything's bolted on fine. This alternator isn't twisting out to cause a misalignment. It's in line with your fan here, that's fine. The vibration dampener down there is fine. The only thing that is causing this to go out, if you look down on it, it's hard to see here on the camera, is the tensioner. So what I'm thinking is the actual tensioner is wore in there. Since it's an original tensioner, it's supposed to be straight like this with tension on it holding straight down. But if your top bearing here is gone, or it's wore up in there, that whole tensioner can move like this or this, and since it's putting tension on this way, I would assume it's going to move this way. So tension like that, belt going this way, it's going to tension out. So my theory is that the whole tensioner has moved this way. So we're going to show you a quick way on how to check it. So what you're going to need is a pry bar like this, or something to pry with. What you're going to do is come down here to the back of your tensioner pulley, and there is, right in the middle of it, there's a piece that stays still right on the bolt. You have to get in here with your pry bar and come back here, get on it there. Be sure that you do not hit the wheel, because the wheel turns. You have to do this while your truck's running. See right here, I can push on here then and move that out. So I'll try and get my camera in there, on there, focused. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna start up the truck, and once I have it going, I'll try and get my camera positioned in here somewhere if I can, and I'll show you guys how much play I actually have in that tensioner and why my belt looks like it's running off center, and it's because the whole tensioner itself is offside. Alright guys, so as you can see there in that video, I hope the camera got a good angle there. That was by far one of the hardest camera angles I could ever find there. Anyways, I hope if you are having belt alignment issues that this helps you solve it. I'm going to go ahead and get a new belt tensioner and put it on there, and that'll straighten it right up. As you can see, it moves in and out there like a good 1/4 inch, and you can see that tensioner moving itself. As always guys, thanks for watching, and please give the channel a like and a subscribe. If my videos interest you, please click on my channel and check out my other videos.